GODUNG office and apartments building by stocker Lee Achitetti in South Korea. The building is in the city of Seongnam, south of Seoul, South Korea. It stands on a lot at the end of an expanding neighborhood. The original conformation of the project land is irregular and is located between a neighborhood street to the south and a bordering terrain on the north side. The rectangular volume develops along the north side of the perimeter and fits into the urban context, in a position set back from the road, underlining the desire to obtain an urban void that allows a pedestrian and vehicular entrance to the building. The ground floor and the basement, in fact, host a commercial activity open to the public on the upper floors. On the other hand, there are apartments of different sizes. The volumetric composition is divided into two different bodies that fit together and generate a pure, clear, and recognizable shape. The lighty volume, punctured by the main openings, is supported by the volume that acts as a base and, at the same time, welcomes users thanks to the overhang on the entrance. The internal distribution of the spaces develops on the concept of skip floor, and for this reason, the openings on the facade are asymmetrical, generating an irregular and non-static facade design. The choice of materials reflects the design idea: two different finishes, facing concrete and Petersen Columba K43 bricks, which generate a clear image of the volume that is thus read as unique and uniform. Inside, the main materials are exposed concrete left natural and two different floor finishes, wood, and tiles. The details are made of matte black iron. In general, the choice to describe the entire intervention using only a few materials is in line with the search for the essential and necessary on which the project is based. In the context, the object fits in decisively, becoming a recognizable landmark in shape and color, which gives character and identity to this urban segment at the end of the built block.